Alright guys, we got a 2020 Honda CRV. It has a refrigeration R1235Y. This is the gauges I got, so you guys look into these gauges. I'm going to show you guys a reading today. So this compressor here is not pumping a good amount of pressure. Do I have somebody out here? Nope. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect all the fittings. We're going to connect the lines. I'm going to close this up. We're going to check the reading. Usually a good reading is around 35, 40 PSI on the low side. The high side is around 250. So let's come across. We're going to connect this baby and check the reading. This is my first time doing this. And let's see how it goes. So I'm over here. We're going to take out the low side. We're going to put the cap away, the high side. So this system I think is a kind of stupid system. They shouldn't have messed with this, but brand new car, no AC, so we're going to put this in. So remember, the fitting is different, so you are going to have to look into a new system for your AC recharge. We got another one here. We're going to open this up. That's the only way it's going to fit. I'm going to bring my gauges down because I want to open them both and see what pressure we got. Then we're going to start the engine, make sure nothing hits the belts. So we're going to bring this gauges down here. So right now the lines are not open, so I'm going to open the lines. It's going to be really high, but once we start the engine with the AC on, it should come down. The low side I believe should be around 30 to 40 psi. Should fluctuate around there. The high side should be like 250. We're going to open up the high side now. So make sure these are closed. Other than that, your pressure is going to escape down. So I'm going to hang this up and we're going to start the car and let's see what we get. Okay, so I'm going to start the car, then I'm going to come back. I'm going to probably just push my light to the side so we can see the reading here. And I'll be right back. So the AC is running, and the pressure. So the pressure we got here it's around. It's way below. It should have been around 35, 40. It can go above 40, 45, and the high side is kind of low. So either she got a leak in the system or the compressor's not good, so we do need to check the system. But that's the reading we got. But if we do decide to fix, if she do decide to fix, I'll make another video and we'll do another reading. But that's what it is right now, and I don't like the reading. Okay, she does not have a good AC system here, so I'm gonna recommend her a reservice. We'll use a vacuum, and we use a dye, and we'll use a can of Freon. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video, guys. And if you guys need the reading, this is no good AC here, okay? This AC is no good here. We're at probably like 23 psi, and around here is 150 psi. It's barely moving around, and the AC line is barely cold. So there you have it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And don't forget to get these. If you don't have these, get these. Good stuff. And there you have it. So one thing I do want to state is, so if the system had a leak, either you got a slow leak or you got a large leak. It could be that the condenser in the front took a hit. It could have a leak in the system, or the compressor is just not pumping like it's supposed to. So you have to take one step at a time. I got videos on AC, a lot of videos. It could be a leak, so you do need to put a dye into the system to figure that out. And it might not. I'm gonna have to look more into the system of a dye of refrigeration of 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see. Down the road, you will see more videos on this, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Bye bye. See you guys on the next video.